Hey everybody, it's Matt Collins with eXp Realty along with Taylor Perry with Van Dyke Mortgage. Today we wanted to talk just a little bit about why are home prices rising so quickly. From a real estate perspective, it's a basic supply and demand. It's an economics problem, right? We have very limited inventory, so there's only a couple of homes for sale, but we have a big pool of buyers. And so what happens when more than one person wants your house? We get into the bidding wars just like we're experiencing now. But I wanted to ask Taylor, so we all remember the bubble of '08 and '09. Is this the same type of situation?
No.
Okay.
In a short answer, no. 08, '09, we saw some really interesting loans, and they were basically not good loans. You're lending on stated income. I make $100,000 a year. Okay, great. Here's a house. You don't make $100,000 a year. You make 10. So none of that was checked. They're giving you loans over the value of your house. I mean, just bad ideas, and none of that happens anymore. There's a lot of rules in place to make sure that none of that happens again.
Okay. Well, great. So it's good to know that it is not because of bad loans that are being out, and it is a basic supply and demand.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can get a little more supply in there in the next couple of months to help reduce that demand a little bit. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until next time.